Brace yourself, Earth is in the grip of a cosmic maelstrom. A high-speed solar wind is slamming into our planet, igniting auroras and shaking the magnetic field. While epic planetary alignments like the Jupiter-New Moon conjunction and the rare Saturn-Neptune conjunction are unleashing a wave of geophysical chaos. From quakes to wild weather, these celestial forces are rewriting the rules. Dive into what's happening now and what's about to unfold in this mind-blowing cosmic clash. A high-speed solar wind stream, erupting from a coronal hole on the Sun, has smashed into Earth, spiking geomagnetic activity to a KP index of around 5, teetering on a G1 geomagnetic storm. Coronal holes, dark patches in 211 angstrom solar imagery, are low-density zones in the Sun's corona that spew faster-moving solar wind. When aligned with Earth's orbital plane, they spark geomagnetic disturbances. This stream has jacked up solar wind speeds to 650 to 680 km/s from a baseline of 400 km per second, with an interplanetary magnetic field strength of about 13 nanotesla. These disturbances are rattling Earth's magnetic field, especially in polar regions, where auroras may blaze, particularly in the southern hemisphere under the new moon's dark skies. The storm is moderate, with a mild initial shock due to low solar wind density, under 10 particles per cubic centimeter, but it's juicing up atmospheric dynamics. Sudden rain and thunderstorms have hit areas not expected to see precipitation, a classic sign of space weather supercharging tropospheric convection and tweaking weather patterns. Solar maximum's energy surge may be triggering geological fireworks. On June 25, 2025, a magnitude 6.2 earthquake rocked the mid-Atlantic ridge near Tristan da Cunha, a hub of plate spreading. Another 6.2 quake hit east of the Philippines, joined by earthquake swarms near the Nicobar Islands and off Japan's coast. These swarms, with continuous seismic rumbles rather than one-off quakes, point to sustained tectonic stress release. The new moon's tidal pull, amplified by geomagnetic activity, may be nudging fault lines. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge quake, while typical for spreading zones, is notable for its 6.2 magnitude, a big deal for such areas. The Nicobar Islands swarm, hitting magnitudes up to 5.4, and Japan's coastal swarm, with over 200 quakes, suggest a broader seismic pattern. These align with solar maximum's high-energy environment, where solar radiation and geomagnetic fluctuations might subtly stress Earth's crust. While direct links are tricky, historical data hints at seismic spikes during solar maxima. The recent new moon in Cancer collided with Jupiter, visible near the Sun's position. This alignment likely amped up tidal forces, fueling extreme flooding in China, where record-breaking rains have wreaked havoc. Jupiter's gravitational heft, paired with the moon's tidal influence, can supercharge oceanic and atmospheric responses, driving intense weather events. This conjunction shows how celestial alignments can ripple into terrestrial chaos, especially in water-prone regions. The Saturn-Neptune conjunction, razor close on July 13 to 14, 2025, within 13 arc minutes, and exact in February 2026, is a once-in-millennia event, happening in Aries in Western tropical astrology. It last occurred at the zodiac's start around 600 BC, a time of game-changing innovations like coinage. This alignment could shake up economic systems, like digital currencies, and geopolitical landscapes. Paired with July 2025's Capricorn full moon, it's set to rattle global structures. July 2025 is shaping up as a cosmic hotspot, with the Saturn-Neptune near conjunction syncing with a Capricorn full moon, spotlighting authority and systems. Expect potential geopolitical or economic tremors. The energy peaks in February 2026 with the exact conjunction, a possible turning point. Later in 2025, Uranus and Pluto's sign shifts, plus Saturn and Neptune retrograding into Pisces, will weave a complex astrological web, possibly calming things briefly before a 2026 surge. An earthquake watch is advised for the next 48 hours post-new moon. as tidal and geomagnetic forces could spark seismic activity. September 2025's Mercury cazimi between eclipses signals a burst of communication and revelations. Schumann resonances, Earth's electromagnetic pulse peaking at 7.8 Hz, are showing wild anomalies in Tomsk, Russia, spectrograms, with power bursts and odd patterns. Solar maximum's energy boost amplifies these resonances, reflecting Earth's charged state. Some anomalies tie to local weather, like rain in Tomsk on June 24th to 25th, but others hint at a global signal linked to the geomagnetic storm. Driven by lightning and space weather, these frequencies are a key gauge of planetary dynamics. Earth is riding a cosmic roller coaster, with solar maximum and planetary alignments unleashing a torrent of geophysical upheaval. From high-speed solar winds sparking auroras and storms to the Jupiter new moon and Saturn-Neptune conjunctions shaking up weather and quakes, our planet is in the midst of a celestial shakeup. July 2025 and February 2026 will be seismic turning points, literally and figuratively. Stay tuned, because the cosmos is just getting started, and Earth is feeling the heat.